one took me places. Sometimes they would. Mostly
you got
because
to go to California?
Yeah. Well, because Richard wanted to see his mom, and she was nice to me, and they wanted to take Charlie out special places, so I got to tag along. But this is different. This is way better. This is our life because the beach is a mile away. Teddy! Teddy! Oh, there's your Toyota. Sorry you got a Toyota. We are now a Honda family. What else are you thankful for today, Kristen?
Iced coffee.
Iced coffee, alright. That's a tiny little boat that still has a little beaver on the inside. Interesting. Iced coffee.
Yeah. Loving family.
Lovely family.
Playing trains with my son.
Oh, yeah. Did you brush Thomas's teeth?
No. Did you?
No, he tried to give me two, and I told him that it was inappropriate. Make a mess. What about this is your birthday weekend. Tell me what you liked about your birthday weekend. Did you have a good time with your family?
I had a wonderful time with my family.
Yeah. Did you have a good birthday party?
A great birthday party.
Yeah. That seems to me like your life is going pretty well.
It is.
It's really been a lot of fun days in a row. You had a fun time with your coworkers.
Yes.
Surprisingly, even though we all expected Dr. Dan to be Dr. Douche, but
No, I
he was
didn't.
extremely civil and fun.
Yeah, no, he is. And I mean,
He's
I didn't think it was
a little
going to be
aspy.
a problem. He's definitely a little aspy. He talks a lot. It's like
Good. So do you let other people talk to you?
He did. He let other people talk a lot more than he normally does.
Big boy. Every time I'm fat and I see someone else who's way fatter, I'm like, okay, thank God. I'm not there yet. I can still be saved. I call them the ghosts of Christmas future. Okay. Watch out for that. If I don't change my ways, that's what's going to happen. Like his cowboy hat. Looks like it's made out of a corn tortilla, but I still like it.
If you do start biking, Jerica left her wagon.
Oh, for the bicycle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought about it. I talked to her about it before I knew she was going to leave. I was like, can I just have it since you never use it? Because I can get it to use. Oh, good, sure. Because literally she will never use it. Even if she took it with her, she would never use it again.
Yeah.
Because she's, what's the word for it? Lazy? Lazy. Oh, is there a boat launch here? I guess there is a boat launch here.
Uh-huh.
Ah, You might get a scotch of shade. But really all that matters is that we get shade over the front window. It's the only one that doesn't have blackout on it. Oh yeah. See, another wonderful situation. And guess what else is for me to be thankful for? You're gonna get sun on your legs today. There's no. Everything you're feeling anxiety-wise is artificial. You're in no different a place than you were the day before, the day before, the day before that. Everything's looking up at work. Your kids are in great health and are wonderful to be around. Right? We're making progress in every facet of our life. Maybe not as quickly as I'd like, but whatever. Everything's still moving forward. Your husband loves you. Your children love you. Your coworkers adore you. You're doing fine. It's all artificial. None of this is real. None of this is real. And when we get back, we put the kids down for their nap. I'm going to take you to that shower. And I'm going to slowly, gently scrub you down. Cool you off. Calm you down. I'll wash you.
I'd rather honestly take a bath.
Okay, I'll draw a bath. I'm still going to go in there and scrub your back. Okay, I'll bring you a mimosa and bath. Okay.
Good, really nice bath.
Yeah. Bath. We'll light a candle. The new candle from Eddie and Sarah.
Yeah, because I need a big more.
Yeah, whatever. Use your new candle from Eddie and Sarah. Get you calm. Or turn out, bring in an iPad for some music.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Just a little something nice and calming.
Yeah.
And,
A pillow or a towel.
something. I can slice up a cucumber. I think I've got some in there. Not. And then we've got that steak we got to eat for dinner tonight. Too much? You can sleep tomorrow.
Yeah, would that be okay?
Probably the last day of tomorrow before it's
Okay.
like getting overaged.
Okay.
Start to more cure than age.
We'll see. I think tomorrow might be really good.
Okay.
Or just maybe if we eat it tonight, then maybe I'll have a steak